No, that's just their policy.
Which one do you want?
I got him. You got him.
And he's a good dog. He's an angel.
Literally.
Here's our size.
Yeah.
They moved across from Pipeline. Yeah, and that might be where the school is.
Westchester Elementary used to be 12-5. Hawaii with that.